How to link debit card to Apple Pay. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to link debit card to Apple Pay or Apple Pay Cash. For that, you have to follow these steps. First of all, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. After which, tap the plus button in the upper right corner and follow the on-screen instructions to add your debit card. After which, you could go and click on the continue button. As you do it, you simply want to go ahead and read the terms and click on setup. And then you'll be finally taken to this field where you could go and click on add debit card. Now then, to add the debit card, you have to go and enter in the details, all that CVV code, expiry, and the 16-digit code and all. Once you've actually done it, you also need to verify it. And once you've added your debit card to your Apple Wallet, it will be linked to your Apple Pay Cash account, and you could then use this card to add money to your Apple Cash balance or send money and receive money with Apple Cash as well. That is how it's actually done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.